You might think you can go faster as a business by just doing it, but your organization will succeed quicker if you standardize how you plan and perform your work. Fortunately, for many industries, such classification already exists. It's called a capability maturity model. Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. The first capability maturity model for software development was created in the 1980s. The model looked to address chronic overruns in schedule and cost, all while delivering less than the promised scope. What did the authors set out to do? Essentially, they looked at the three significant dimensions of planning and performing work and thought about how these could be progressively and productively integrated. These dimensions included procedures and methods defining the relationship of tasks, people with skills, training and motivation, and tools and equipment. The goal was to more reliably deliver project outcomes in ever-improving lead times. Carnegie Mellon University developed the Capability Maturity Model Institute to bring consistency to a constellation of capability maturity models applicable across all industries for services, development, acquisition, and people. An organization has a measurable maturity when it can demonstrate capability levels in a group of specific process areas clustered around a target profile. The maturity levels go in ascending order by the names initial, managed, defined, quantitatively managed, and optimizing. An example of a process area at the managed level of maturity is work planning, defined as estimating costs, effort, and schedules, figuring out how you'll provide the service, and involving the right people, all while watching your risks and making sure you've got the resources you need. An example of a process area at the optimizing level of maturity is causal analysis and resolution, defined as getting to the sources of selected work results and taking effective action to enable good results and prevent bad results in other work. My course for systems thinkers explores how the capability maturity model can be integrated with systems thinking to deliver consistently high performance results. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.